The Taka, being 3 battens, has to be on the correct mast, and it's designed only for EZI masts, and the mast combinations are written on the sail. So this is a 4-5, and you're going to use a 400 top and a 370 bottom. Any other mast combination, the calibration guide won't work. When you downhaul the Taka, I suggest downhauling until the medium mark lines up with the bottom of the mast. This is good for powered to medium wind. If you're really overpowered, you can take it to max, but you don't want to get too much downhaul on the Taka. Now for light wind, you can back it off even beyond the minimum. So you can go a centimeter less for really light wind, and that'll make it much more powerful. After tensioning your downhaul, then wrap the tack strap around the bottom of your extension. Notice how I haven't stored the downhaul line yet. That way I can tension the tack strap and then not have to retension if I want to adjust my downhaul. Now the tack strap is important because it redistributes the load back onto the edge of the foot. You'll notice that when we sew the pulley on, we cut the sail up. So the tension line is now up here. And by pulling on the tack strap, we redistribute a load onto the edge of the foot. That is important because it's affecting the tension in the entire leech of the sail. So you'll even find that with more tack strap tension, the lower leech will be tighter and you'll feel like the sail is a bit more stable. So you want to tension the tack strap until you see a little wrinkle coming out of the bottom here. After tensioning the tack strap, wrap it around the mast, under itself, and then back onto the Velcro. For your downhaul line, go around your mast one time. Roll it up, and then put it into the Velcro pocket. And you're ready to go. So if you need to adjust your downhaul, you don't have to undo the tack strap. To adjust the outhaul, the sail needs to be downhauled, and then use the cords that are sewn at the clew of the sail. There are 3 cords. There's a long one for strong wind, there's a medium one, and a short one for light wind. These show how much positive outhaul the sail will get. So you adjust your boom to the end of the cord. Notice how I have the boom resting on my thigh. I'm not pulling the clew, and I'm just gently pulling the cord, and then I'll just adjust the boom to the end of the cord. Then you outhaul the sail right to the end of the boom. Now I like to check it, so outhaul it once, release it, and then check it, make sure you're correct. And you notice I'm going to have about half a centimeter where the boom is half a centimeter longer than the cord, so that means I'll have half a centimeter space when I'm outhauled. Okay, with the outhaul, if you feel backhand pressure, then you want to apply more outhaul. It's not a good idea to downhaul the sail beyond max. I suggest not even downhauling it beyond medium. And to flatten the sail, you want to do it all with the outhaul. So the general rule is if the sail feels really unstable, then most likely you need a bit more downhaul and a bit more outhaul. If the sail feels stable but draft back, that means you need more outhaul. The Taka rigs and looks different than our 4-batten and 5-batten sails, and the main thing you'll see is this wrinkle that runs from the number 2 batten down to the foot batten, and this should be in the sail. If you over downhaul the sail, you'll get rid of it and the sail won't perform well at all. So you want this in the sail, and the less downhaul and the less outhaul, the bigger the wrinkle will get. And I'm going to show you the full setting and how big this wrinkle actually is. Now, this wrinkle is the draft of the sail. So when the sail's full of wind, it's completely gone. The other advantage having this wrinkle is it allows the sail to depower very quickly, which is great for the transition from your bottom turn to your cutback. So the sail depowers and you can really push on your board. I want to show you the full setting so you can see how deep and how big this wrinkle actually will become. I'm going to back the downhaul off. I'm going to back it off about a centimeter less than the minimum mark for a really full setting. And then I'm going to back off the outhaul. I'm going to go to the short cord. That's 6 cm of positive outhaul. Now I want to show you how full the sail is. See how big this wrinkle is. There's actually a little bit of rotation in the foot batten. And the number 2 batten is especially deep. Okay, so this is your fullest setting. This is when you probably should be on a bigger sail. So rig like this, the 4.5 Taka will have the power of almost a 5.0. The other thing about the Taka is that the leech does not go loose at the head. Right now I have the sail set to medium downhaul and medium outhaul, and you'll notice there's very little looseness at the top of the sail. It's not a floppy head. So if you've rigged the sail so the head is floppy, that means you have far too much downhaul.